Mastering data integration. Seamless data integration demands total documentation transparency. Which specific documentation and knowledge management requirements must be fulfilled to ensure seamless data integration and exchange among various systems and stakeholders? To ensure seamless data integration and exchange among various systems and stakeholders, it is essential to fulfill specific documentation and knowledge management requirements. This can be achieved by implementing the following measures. Data documentation. 1. Data catalog. Create a data catalog that provides a centralized inventory of all data assets across the organization. This catalog should include metadata such as data descriptions, formats, structures, and lineage information. 2. Data dictionary. Develop a data dictionary that defines common data elements, data types, and their relationships. This dictionary serves as a reference guide for data analysts, developers, and stakeholders to ensure consistency in data usage. 3. Data flow diagrams. Create data flow diagrams to visualize the flow of data between systems, applications, and stakeholders. These diagrams should highlight data inputs, processing, storage, and outputs. 4. Data lineage. Maintain data lineage documentation to track the origin, movement, and transformation of data across systems. This documentation helps in identifying data quality issues, tracing errors, and ensuring data accountability. Knowledge management. 1. Centralized knowledge base. Establish a centralized knowledge base that stores information on data integration processes, data formats, data structures, and system interfaces. This knowledge base should be accessible to all stakeholders and regularly updated. 2. Data governance policies. Develop and maintain data governance policies that outline roles, responsibilities, and procedures for data management, data quality, and data security. 3. Training and support. Provide regular training and support to stakeholders on data integration processes, data management best practices, and system interfaces. 4. Change management. Establish a change management process to ensure that changes to data integration processes, systems, or interfaces are properly documented, tested, and communicated to stakeholders. System integration documentation. 1. System interface documents. Create system interface documents that outline the technical specifications of each system interface, including data formats, protocols, and communication protocols. 2. API documentation. Develop API documentation that provides detailed information on API endpoints, request/response formats, and error handling mechanisms. 3. System architecture diagrams. Create system architecture diagrams to visualize the relationships between systems, applications, and stakeholders. These diagrams should highlight system interactions, data flows, and dependencies. 4. Testing and quality assurance. Develop testing and quality assurance plans to ensure that data integration processes, system interfaces, and APIs meet the required standards and specifications. Stakeholder communication. 1. Stakeholder analysis. Conduct a stakeholder analysis to identify the information needs of various stakeholders, including business users, IT teams, and external partners. 2. Communication plans. Develop communication plans that outline the types of information to be shared, the frequency of communication, and the communication channels to be used. 3. Regular meetings. Schedule regular meetings with stakeholders to discuss data integration progress, address concerns, and gather feedback. 4. Issue tracking. Establish an issue tracking system to log, track, and resolve data integration issues, errors, or concerns raised by stakeholders. By fulfilling these documentation and knowledge management requirements, organizations can ensure seamless data integration and exchange among various systems and stakeholders, enabling informed decision-making, improved collaboration, and enhanced business outcomes.